Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another week of Misfits Market unboxing. And we'll go ahead and get right into the box today. I only ordered one extra item this week from the marketplace. And that item is right on top in the small brown box. What I got is a small container of organic blackberries. They just look so good. And they were only $1.99 to add on, so I thought, why not? The next item out of the box is a small cardboard container full of Roma tomatoes, not very ripe, but I plopped them up on my Aero garden so they can get some sun and they should ripen up in no time. Next we have some scallions. I love putting these in my salads. I'll be posting a salad video in the next day or two just to show you how I make my everyday lunch salads. So keep an eye out for that. Nice head of lettuce. And here we have some bell peppers. You can tell what's misfit about these. One is much bigger than the other, but they will taste the same. Next out we have some zucchini. A little scraped up, but they feel nice and fresh. And I've also got a little sack of green beans. I was trying to undo the knot so I could show them to you, but that wasn't to be. They're like biodegradable bags, but they're really hard to get open. I always end up just tearing it open. So here we have some mini cucumber and a regular sized cucumber. A couple more zucchini. Three kiwi. A red onion. And a yellow onion. And that's all for today. This order was a little bit smaller than some of my other ones, but I'm training for a new job this week and I couldn't get in to make my selections right away, so I had to do it later that night, and a lot of the items were already sold out or taken. But I did manage to get quite a few things that I use in my regular salads and cooking. I always need zucchini, bell peppers, onions, so that part was all good. I didn't get much for salad this week, only one head of lettuce, but it's fine, I'll just grab an extra at the store, and I know I have some organic spinach in the refrigerator as well still, so it'll all work out. So here you see what I got this week. I'll be making my selections for next week tomorrow, and I will see you back here next Monday with another Misfits Market unboxing. In the meantime, check out some of my other videos, and like I said, keep an eye out for my salad video. It'll probably be posting tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.